What's up guys, welcome back for another video. And if you into Huck's World, today we got another awesome super casual watch face for you all to check out. This one does get my stamp of approval, and on top of it, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So remember, download ASAP. Now let's check out this watch face. First of all, I'm going to leave the name right here on the screen for you all to check this watch face out, and I will leave a link in the description so you can get to it easily. With that being said, let's have a look at this watch face. First of all, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a traditional look so far as the analog watch face is concerned, and once the watch face is on, very unique in design, it pops. I like the look of the index, very unique. I like the color within the watch face, and you will get a few dials. Now the one to the left is going to give you your days of the week, and you got a moon phase within that one as well. Now you come to the right, you will be able to get your step status info and your steps. Also down at the bottom, you're going to get your power info, you're going to get the date, you're going to get 24-hour digital time at the top, along with analog hands. Now the analog hands are fun looking analog hands, not a bad look at all. But on top of it all, which was surprising for a free watch face like this one, it's interactive, right? So if I want to, of course, I could tap right here, double tap, and I could change the color theme of the watch face to different backgrounds that I would like to complement my outfit with. Now you only get a few in all, and you can do the same thing at the top. You single tap and you can change that one as well. Now I thought this was a good look for a watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job with it. But the question is, again, at the end of the day, what do you think? For a super casual watch face, I say it's worth the download. All right, you all. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.